In this Content Builder tutorial video, we're going to look at how you can change the color of elements on your page. The Content Builder allows you to customize the colors of each of the elements that are available in the software. For instance, if I load this content box here and I click on the content box to load the control panel, I can simply go to the color controls here and I can either choose from one of the 8 default colors, like that, or I can choose a custom color for each of the elements. So here we have 3 elements that we can choose. Headline background, so I just use the left mouse cursor to drag the picker around until I find a color that I like. Box background color, that's going to change the background of the text box. And the border color right here. As you can see, all those custom colors have updated in the content box. If you then go ahead and duplicate this box, the colors will be duplicated too. The same process can be followed for other elements, including the call to action element. I can select it, go to the color controls, and I can change the colors of the element. And again, with a testimonial element, I can click, load the control panel, and change the background as I see fit. And then we have our new testimonial. Sometimes you want to put colors into the color picker that match your brand. So for instance, let's say you have a text box and you want the background of the text box here to match your brand colors. What you would do is you click on the text box, load the color control panel, load the background section, and you'd come into here. You can delete the existing value, put a hash, and then put the hex value of whatever it is. There I've just added a random hex value 233DDD, and the color picker has chosen the color that corresponds to. This is really useful if you need to create elements that match your brand. So you have brand blue or brand red. You can copy the exact color and put it into an element. One thing you might want to do if you do have brand colors that you'll be using a lot of is if you select the element and choose the color, you can actually click save as favorite color, and as you can see the color has been added at the end here. You can then refer to that in any element you add going forward. So for instance, if I add another content box here in a different style, I can set the border to be the brand color very quickly, just like that. Again, just to demonstrate further, if I have a button and I want the button to match my brand blue, I can simply click the button, come to the color control panel, and change the background color to match the brand blue. The result of this functionality is that you can make any element look exactly how you want them to and make them consistent with your brand colors.